Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Google Play Protect actively scans apps and blocks malware on Android devices. It runs periodic checks and warns before risky installs. You should understand that Play Protect helps prevent data loss and account theft. Disabling it does not make your device safer or faster. Disabling can expose passwords, banking apps, and personal photos to unknown threats. Keep Play Protect enabled to maintain automatic scanning and periodic security updates. If an app is trusted, use official update channels and verified developers. Disabling Play Protect increases risk of data theft, privacy loss, and financial harm. Malware can silently install additional components and collect sensitive credentials. Malicious apps can run background services and capture keystrokes or screen content. Attackers may use those signals to drain accounts or impersonate you to contacts. Reinstalling or factory resetting may be required after a malware infection. That remediation can cause data loss and service interruptions. Think cautiously before changing core security controls on any device. Use the Play Store and check developer verification and app reviews before installing. Manage app permissions to limit access to camera, microphone, location, and files. Keep system updates current to receive security patches and vulnerability fixes. Consider using Enterprise Mobile Management for controlled app exceptions if needed. Contact Google Support or your device maker for guidance before changing Play Protect settings. If you must use a third-party app, research it thoroughly and back up your data first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.